Well, another bad day. This is the result of taking off with the doors open on my Avid Flyer Model C heavy hauler. Turtle deck ripped open. I had to do an emergency landing at the end of the takeoff runway. Luckily it's a long runway, we had room. Here's what happened. Wind pressure inside the cabin just ripped it open. This was built in 1992, so probably a little fatigue involved, but I'd say it's not advisable to run with takeoff with both doors open. Grove landing gear is very forgiving, but we came in pretty hard to avoid going off the end of the runway, so that's bent, and so's the rear wheel spring. I think that may be all that there is the tailwheel spring and the landing gear and the turtle deck. Okay, here's a clear shot here of how it just ripped right back, right along that piece gave up right there and just ripped off and popped the other one right out of its holders. They just came right out of the Zeus fittings. So,
Mr. Chip, how you doing?